Get him!
I can swim faster!
Get him, Jack!
No way! There's no way, Jack! I'll swim to the other side of the lake!
Do it! Do it! Get him!
There's no way! You're gonna drown before you come close! You're gonna get caught in seaweed like me out here!
It's so nasty!
Fucking seaweed and salmon grows at my toes! Alright?
He's gonna puke.
Yeah, that's right, you swim at the shore.
Gotta come home sometime.
Right now! Right now!
Come on! You fucking beluga whale? Because I'll find you.
Seaweed on my ankle! What are you looking at?
You got, man, what you got?
I got seaweed on my ankle.
Come on. Oh, this is taller than me.
Seaweed!
Oh! Ew. Oh, shit. I don't know if I can take this, Candace. I don't know if I can handle it.
Join!
Let me swim you a bit.
I'll give you some dirty.